Yeah.
All right, here we are. First day of summer. North of the beach. Going to our spot. We are downtown now. Just enjoying everything. It's a beautiful day out here. It's about 74 outside and sunny. Light winds and just a beautiful summer day. So we're going to our spot, and I'm absolutely in love with the DJI mic. So small, makes the audio on this perfect. So we'll see you shortly. We are here, just out parking, like near my coins out. I'm parking, pretty good spot. Just the beach is right over there. Just gonna pay the meter, the coins we were working with today. Okay, I've got I'm only working with coins today, so I gotta have the good amount. I got first hour in here. That's all of these coins, so that's until 4:37. I need it until 5. All right, I got two quarters and 3 dimes left. Let's see what I can do with these. Dime, 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 quarter, 5.15, and we need till 5.10. That right there is the perfect amount.
Now I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you flying, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying.
Gotta stay away from all your games, and I know that
I want you to start. Yeah, that's right. You go. Yeah. Pump it over. You. Pump it up. Watch it. What is he doing? He's watching. You. Texas, dog. You go see. Hey, no, I like that idea. You go see. Fair. Good shit. It's out. You, Justin. You, Justin. Up. Nice.
Let's go.
It's team on right here. Let's go.
Hey,
Let's go, guys. Right here. Ooh. Yo, come outside, bro.
Believe kids
Get in here, boy.
in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets.
Send us those flicks.
100%, dude.
It's an awesome time, Brent.
Of course. Hold on, give me a bag. All right, guys. I'll see you.
Do you think you'd toss me a flannel up here?
Yeah. Chilling now. I'll see you guys. Sunset.